This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the actual problem, resolution versus scaling. Open display settings and read the numbers so you know the target. Once done, close full-screen apps and disconnect extra monitors to prevent profile overrides. Next, set scaling to 100% and choose the recommended resolution. This forces the GPU and OS to use standard metrics. Make sure to create a restore point or write down original values so you can revert if a step makes things worse. Now you tackle the middle steps, drivers and control panels. Update the GPU driver or roll back if a recent update caused the issue. Mismatched drivers change how scaling is applied. Open the GPU control app and set the scaling mode. Use display scaling if you want the monitor to manage pixels, GPU scaling if apps require it. If edges are cut off, adjust overscan or underscan sliders and create a custom resolution matching the panel's native spec. These changes finish by restarting to apply persistent changes and inspect the UI at normal size. You should confirm the taskbar, icons, and app windows look correct. If not, try alternate refresh rates and save the working profile or take a screenshot for reference. If problems persist, troubleshoot. Boot to safe mode to rule out third-party scaling tools, reset display settings to defaults, or connect the screen to another device to check for hardware faults. If nothing fixes it, contact support with your saved specs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.